Hey everyone, I'm Chase, Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the Accelerator Pump Rebuild Kit coming from Tusk. Alright, so today we're going to give you a quick look at this Accelerator Pump Rebuild Kit coming from Tusk. Now, if you're not familiar with what an accelerator pump is, well, let me hit you with some facts. So an accelerator pump is a part of your carburetor, and what it does is that when you crack the throttle on your motorcycle or ATV, the accelerator pump will actually squirt some extra fuel into the carburetor to help with that extra airflow that you're getting as you crack the throttle. But you have to remember that over time, you see you have this diaphragm inside there. This diaphragm will wear out. And when it does wear out, what happens is riders start to talk about their bike or their ATV as bogging, or they're not getting the acceleration that they once had. Well, that is an indication that it's time to rebuild your accelerator pump. Now, good time as far as how often you should be doing that if you've never done it before. Really, just anytime you're digging into your carburetor, it just takes a few extra minutes. Take that accelerator pump cover off, inspect to make sure everything's in good condition, but these are super inexpensive, so it doesn't matter if you're just already in there. It doesn't hurt to get a new rebuild kit, freshen everything up, and you're going to be good to go. Now, as far as install goes, it is very simple. It's not a process that's going to take you very long, but if you do have questions or comments about that, leave those below. We'll get your questions answered. But remember, if you feel like your ATV or your dirt bike is bogging, you don't have the acceleration that you used to, well, it could be that this diaphragm in your accelerator pump is bad and it's time to replace it. To pick yours up, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are machine specific, so enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike or ATV to ensure that you do get the correct kit and you get the correct fitment. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.